Okay, today we're gonna bring you guys this clothing line. It's a retractable clothing line. Comes with hangers, instructions. We have a piece of the retractable, a sticker, free nail glue, so if you don't want to put nails to glue it on the wall, and it has the hardware. Let's see this. It's a lock here. We have, we have where it says lock. This is the lock here. Right here, you go move it, and let me show you. It's not, doesn't pull it out. Unlock it. You can pull it out. It's to make sure that when you're not there, the kids don't mess around with it. The other side, the other end that's going to be receiving, this here is going to go in there, as you see. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put this in. It has to be, you see the two lollipops here picture? These have to go going up, and then these little two have to go facing towards you. Okay, we went ahead and installed it there. Now you see it here. It has to go like this with the lock down, the circle up. Okay, let's go ahead and put it on. Okay, so we're installing it, and it should be this up and the two little things out. Okay, that's installed. Now let's go ahead and put the cover on it. Okay, let's go ahead and put our hands. Hang our towels. Okay. Look at this, how easy it is. And now, and then you see how it loose? So we go here and it tightens it up. Lock it in once you have it nice and tight. All right, let's go ahead and hang our towels up for this summer. Ooh. Let me go ahead. Hang our bathing suits, and it's perfect. It has sunlight here, and it's a end of the summer, end of the weekend. I have guests around. I want to clean up easy. Take it off and retract it. Because it's locked, it's not gonna pull, and because it's locked, it's not gonna pull and damage anybody. That's the reason, the safety measure for the lock is for. So we go and unlock it, and we put it in slowly back in its place. Lock it in, and there we go.